Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can organize our application on our Android for maximum efficiency. So let's get to it guys. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android phone. And after that, you can click on this profile button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can select the settings menu and it's right here. So just tap on it. And after that, we can click on this general setting. You can tap on it until this option appear on your screen. And if we want to organize our application on our Android for maximum efficiency, we can turn on the automatically archive app setting. So just click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, and when you activate this setting, the apps you don't use often will be removed from your device, but your personal data on the app will be saved, and the apps icon will remain on your device, and you will be able to download the apps again as long as it's still available on Play Store. Okay, just tap on the toggle button. Okay, so that's how we can organize our application on Android for maximum efficiency. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.